fashionistas, are you ready to take your designs from okay to wow in just few steps? Well, today we are tackling 3 game-changing tricks you don't want to miss. First up, we'll glam up a simple circle skirt by adding rhinestones using a heat transfer machine. Because let's be real, who doesn't want to add a little bit of shine to their fabrics? But wait, there is more. Ever feel guilty tossing those transfer sheets after just one use? Well, I'm going to show you how you can give them a second life, saving you cash and keeping things eco-friendly. Really, who knew that the planet and your wallet could thank you at the same time? And here is where things get extra interesting. Say goodbye to stubborn labels. I'll show you how to remove Ankara label neatly using a stoning machine. Yes, that same tool you thought was just for embellishment is now your secret weapon. No more label struggles, no more fabric disasters, just smooth professional results. So, if you're ready for a little bit of sparkle, some money saving magic, and a little bit of extra learnings, stick around because this is about to get really interesting. And please don't forget to subscribe to House of Molake for more amazing video tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.